My mind creates a reflection of my physical world. I am at peace. Hello, Libra. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we will be looking into the month of September 2021. So, if you have your birthdays in September itself, then happy birthday in advance. God bless you. May all your wishes come true and beautiful blessings too. So let's see what's coming in. This is also a timeless monthly reading, so whenever you feel called or drawn towards it, you'll find a message here. So let's see what's coming in as an overall oracle for you guys. Spirit, take the wheels. What do we need to know for Librans? Okay. We have crystal blessing coming through with cathedral, light brary coming in, grandmother crystal deva coming through, a lot of ancestral energy which is coming in, something karmic which may be coming to an end, and some kind of universal justice which is coming through and rewarding you for the efforts that you have made. You're protected is also coming through. We have angels and spirit guides coming in with angelite, which is over here, and then over here also. And we have the upper world coming through with number 2. And this is talking about co-creation, procreating is also coming in, but a lot of downloads which may be there. And at any point where you feel a little confused or would like some more guidance to come through, angels, the source, the universe, fairies, whoever you believe in are here to support you, guide you, and assist you. Angelite, working with Angelite may be very, very nice, especially if you want to connect with angels. Apart from that, we have beauty coming in with autumn and Udea light coming through with number 3. I feel like with 3 and 2 coming in, there's this beautiful changes that you're making which is bringing in a lot of happiness. You are becoming more productive is also coming through. It's time to really use your creativity is also coming in. Take the time to retreat, relax is also coming in to allow fresh mind, fresh ideas to come through is also coming in. There could be a strong influence of number 6, or you could be seeing 666 also, which brings in love and beauty. And there's this thing coming in, the angels and your guides are bringing your focus in the now and asking you to see the beauty, the goodness of the situation. What can you learn from it, and how can you take advantage is also the energy which is coming through. You may be a teacher also is coming through, and you bring in a lot of your light brings in a lot of inspiration. The way you conduct yourself inspires many of your age, below your age, above your age is also the energy which is coming through. More harmony is also coming in. A lot of people who will be coming in and helping you, finding your friends in this world and beyond the 3D realm is also coming through. You are not alone is something that they want you to know. So for the 3D energy, we firstly have the priestess coming in with number 2, Pisces major arcana coming in, and there's a lot of wisdom within you, and it's time to dive deeper and allow your soul voice to come through, because you have a lot of knowledge with which others can really benefit from. Maybe the experiences that you've had, as you articulate, use them also is coming through. Your experiences have given you a lot of knowledge, and it may be time to give it out, or this may be a time of listening to your higher self is also coming in. Recommit to your spiritual journey is going to benefit you quite a bit. We have the star card also coming in, Aquarius major arcana coming through. There's maybe with the lights over here, with the star also coming in, there's a glow up energy which is coming through. You coming in the spotlight, and many people listening to you, your efforts being recognized, your gifts and talents being recognized, success which is coming through. We have two of inspiration, two of wands also coming in, and this is signifying whatever goals that you have. As you start supporting your dreams, your goals, you'll find a lot of support also coming in. something that you have been aspiring to do, but you have put it aside because you had the other obligations. But now is the time that you will find a little bit of that free time is coming in, and you'll be able to utilize it. Maybe a passionate hobby which you can pursue in your free time is also coming in. And if there was any kind of conflict which occurred between you and your partner, I feel there's this need of, even if you both are very different, you both want to build something stronger now. So heart to heart conversations and this willingness to work upon something and be more progressive energy is coming through. We had the Hermit coming in reverse, which is Virgo Major Arcana. If there was any kind of separation, someone who may be taking some time off, or you wanted to take some time off for your own personal space and all of that, and you may have been seeking certain kind of clarity which is coming in. I feel the light at the end of the tunnel is coming in, and maybe someone like a master or a guru could be coming in and helping you facilitate your dreams is also coming in. Certain kind of clarity which will be helping you pioneer your life towards a more meaningful life, and that drive which is occurring over here, inaction coming to an end, decisions being made, clarity which is coming in, someone wanting to pursue you and warm up things again. We have the Magician coming in reverse, also two major arcanas, like both the sides have major arcanas, and this has been shuffled very well. At the bottom, we have Chariot also coming in, and at top, we have Four of Voices. With the Chariot and the voices coming in, Four of Voices coming in reverse, this is the time to take a step back. Maybe at times we get so, whether relationship, career wise, but we start getting so involved in maintaining it, attracting one, or sometimes we get a little too consumed by the idea of what we have for us, for a connection, for our career, and get too consumed in achieving that. And this is a time just to retreat, is also coming in. Take a step back. If life is giving you a pause, take it in your stride is also coming in. Take the time to rest and rejuvenate. Or if you're feeling a little too burnt out, then it's time to just take a break. That's what is coming in. Rest and rejuvenation will really, really help you replenish you. Star card is also about healing, and very strongly over here, you have a very special connection with the divine, with the source, with the ethereal realm, with the spiritual realm, and you are a gateway kind of energy is coming in. You're bringing more light and love. Sowing new seeds of unconditional love on earth is also coming through. With the Hermit and the Magician coming in reverse, Magician is Mercury energy, so Gemini and Virgo energy coming in reverse. Very strong Virgo energy coming in. I feel this person may have been a little deceptive in the past, or they felt the need of holding themselves back completely, or that in order to impress you, they had to put on a mask, a certain kind of facade, and now they're getting limited by it, which is why they had to go away because it was blocking them. Their facades were blocking them, and they were realizing, like, you can't play games with Libra over here, is the energy which is coming in. They want to come up clean, but they need to find the clarity, the inspiration, the confidence to come forward and speak the truth is also coming in, because we do. It's not here. I tried doing your reading twice before, and in that the truth came in. Divine feminine energy also came through. Certain kind of balance, equal give and take, which is very much essential, and this person is coming forward, or will, once they are ready to come right, is also coming in. And the facades that they had, they just went away eventually, because you could see them, like, you saw right through them is also coming in. And in their eyes, they feel like they are not deserving of you because of the Magician, who is quite capable, very magical, very talented, master creator, manifester. You coming in with your bright light, your presence has dismantled this person a little, or may have gotten, this person may have gotten a little intimidated. You could have, like, there's a very strong opposites attract kind of a energy which is coming in over here. But the willingness to make things work, to let go of the walls, to let go of the facades is coming through very, very strongly. This person could be letting go. This person may have had this thing of trying to be someone else just to impress or portray themselves in a different way to the world is also coming in. And you saw right through that. You saw who they were is also coming in. But you have been very inspiring for this person. You may be like, you, for some people, maybe this person has been going through a lot of tough times, which is why they needed to become more confident. They had to achieve something in order to pursue you is also coming in, or be in level with you. That's something that they feel because they put you on a pedestal. And maybe you kept your feelings a little hidden because you wanted this person to be a little more truthful before you can speak your truth is also coming in, and the opportunity to do just that is coming through. This person is completely mesmerized by you is also coming in. Your ideologies may be very, very different. Your view of the world may be very, very different also is coming through. And that's all right. We have heart to heart conversation, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. I feel the portal for doing just that is opening up, but you have to keep an open mind as to what they have to say, because they lack a little bit of confidence is what is coming in, which may have pushed them to or act in a little inauthentic way. And that may have been a little alarming. At the bottom, we have flirt and we have pay attention to red flags. Yeah, just because it happens sometimes, you start reciprocating each other's energy. So if just because this person has that thing built up of defending themselves, keeping their real selves a secret, or not showcasing their vulnerable side, you may have done the same. But irrespective, this person has a lot of respect for you. We have separation. The time apart from your partner is on the horizon or maybe coming to an end. And in separation, they're healing themselves. They're coming in terms with acknowledging what they may have been doing, even if there were games played, because a little bit of manipulative energy comes in when the magician is in reverse. We have finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. I feel the separation may have been created. Maybe you walked away from this person and you are now glowing up, and they can't help but keep seeing you, keeping tabs on you is also the energy which is coming in, and that clarity is coming through. Maybe finances and the career took a priority, and they went that way because they felt like they had to become someone before they could approach you is also coming in. If they've been busy, it's just that they have been very, like, working really, really hard is also coming in. And if this is a no contact scenario, I feel like they are in separation. They're still thinking about you is also coming through, but this is something that they want to achieve first. To feel worthy of you is coming in quite a bit. Even if it's nothing that you have said, they just feel that they have to be a certain way before they can come towards you. I'm not ready right now, I need to be more worthy is the energy which is coming through. You may be a healer, a tarot reader, in the medicinal industry also. They really love the way you talk to anyone with so much respect is also coming in, and your perspective is so unique. You stimulate them intellectually is also coming in, and they've never really had that before is also coming through. Maybe maybe this person has that thing, that spiritual calling in them, and they have repressed it for a very long time is also coming in. Maybe they did always have that upper hand when they spoke of spirituality to other people they may have dated, but you came in with real knowledge or more than what this person knew about, and they see how much they can grow is also coming through. Now, if this is taken into ego, or which will limit them, or they take it as a learning curve which will help them grow, is up to them with the free will coming through. What's the energy coming in? Can we get some clarification, please? What is the intention of this person? All right. We have woman holding a coin. They see you as someone who's very, very prosperous. Apart from that, could be in your career, there could be a motherly figure or someone superior, maybe a female, who comes in and gives you very, very good investment ideas, is also coming through. So take them into consideration. They're coming out from a place of concern and like care is what's coming in for your highest benefit. Whether male, female, or this person resonates as they, there's a lot of the need of finding financial stability which is coming in, or proving themselves in their professional field. Maybe this is a little competitive person. The temple path coming in, and we have the thinking man coming through. There's a lot of like over worry which is also coming in, quite honestly, with the magician coming in. But there are certain kind of breakthroughs and realizing what the reality of things really are, and that it's time to stop overthinking and do something about it, because spirit is also guiding them. They could be seeing a lot of signs and all of that. And if you have been in the phase of analyzing a little too much, it's time to take actions accordingly as well. You don't have to take drastic actions, but start somewhere is also coming through. One step that you are feeling innately drawn to take, do that, because there's a lot of support coming through. At the bottom, we have woman holding a coin and cornucopia also coming in, and that's just beautiful. Like there's a lot of abundance which is coming in. They see door to romance. They're hopeful for building something with you is also coming in. They want to feel more secure. Their focus may be like, maybe financially, when I'm more secure and all of that, that will give me the confidence, and then we can come in and progress forward. But that's a little different kind of uh, focal point which is coming in. They really need to achieve in a certain ways coming through. Finances could be on the, like, certain kind of financial constraints may also be overwhelming them, and that's why they are burying themselves in work is also coming through. And this is like being inspired by you is also coming in. They want to work hard to create a future that you deserve is also coming in. With the high priestess and the star coming in, this person sees you as highly, highly attractive, mystical. Also, they see you as being very abundant, as being blessed, and there's so much success which is coming in. They're seeing you glow, they're seeing you grow, they're seeing you thrive in your field, and that zaps them is also coming in. The highly impressed by you is coming through very significantly. Let's look into the affirmations that will be beneficial for you in the month to come. Start connecting with spirit is also coming through. We have my mind creates a reflection of my physical world. I am at peace. What is within will be shown, reflect outwardly, become aware of that is also coming through. It's almost like you're thinking, visualizing something. Pre nominations also could be coming in, dreaming about something happening in the future, and it comes to fruition is also coming through. You are at a point where you can manifest anything into a waking reality. So it's time to think about what changes, positive changes can you make? What do you want to manifest in your life? What is worth your efforts? And that focus is coming in. And I feel like your dedication is paying off is also coming through. We have I am clearly guided by my revered guardian who protects me always. There's a lot of command which is coming in, and I'm loving it. You're balancing yourself, you're listening to your intuition, you are embracing your authentic self, you're valuing yourself highly. You know that success is assured, and you are acting accordingly as well. I feel things falling into place and you feeling rewarded is also coming in. No effort you make will go unrecognized is also coming in. And many people can see that is also coming in and appreciate it too. Let's look into the charms now. So many. All right. So, firstly, we have this feather coming in, which talks about angelic presence. It's going to become stronger and stronger. I feel that if you ask for signs, you'll find them coming in, also, is coming through. Like, you can interact and also use your own spiritual guidance, which is at service to you, is coming through. But a lot of protection, which is coming in, and anything which is happening in your life is divinely guided, is also coming through. We have the eye coming in. This is the time to observe, is also coming through. Open your third eye, is also coming in. Look at the scenario from a higher perspective. It will help you and gain clarity, is also coming in. Clear your vision and navigate your life towards that, is also coming through. Believe in yourself is coming in quite a bit. We have the rose and the leaf also coming in, and there are many beautiful facets of yours, layers to who you are, which is admired, which are admired by many, is also coming in. This is a phase of blooming, higher dimensions interacting with you, you connecting with the source, and bringing more healing to this world, more knowledge to this world, is also coming in. We have the bee. The bee has been coming in quite a lot. I feel like you are going to get ample amount of projects coming your way, which will keep you busy, happy, and satisfied, and looking forward to put in the work and all of that which is coming in. A lot of abundance which is coming through, hard work being paid off. The seeds that you've sown with the cornucopia which came in, you will be reaping the rewards. A lot of happy time with family is also coming in. We have a small rose bead also coming through. So we have two roses coming in, and this is also in a way a rose. I feel like different aspects of your life is jiving in together. There's success there, one thing leading to the other, that kind of a thing. Positive ripple effect which is happening, and that's really, really beautiful. We have the heart ring also coming in. Proposal, new chances in finding new love could also be coming through. A lot of potentials which are coming in. Like you're capturing many people's hearts, minds, and eyes, is also coming in. You may catch people staring at you, is also coming through. There's something charismatic about you, and also a little like you have this air of knowledge with you and this sense of confidence, the way you talk, also your openness. But sometimes you can be the sword, queen of swords, and push things off or say things the way they are, and you're not afraid of it, and that's really, really beautiful. That fierce spirit of courage, the fire in you, is growing and attracting many fireflies to you. You are the light. It's coming in. And there's this thing, I don't know what this is. It's like a connector. It almost feels like today like a magic wand. I don't know, my head is like completely buzzing. So that's like the crown chakra also, and the third eye quite activated. We have the sacral chakra also coming in with the tone of Vam. Maybe with the beauty over here. Maybe retreating to a place or listening to waterfall, listening to sound of water will be very, very healing and allow your divine feminine energy to bloom, is also coming through. Sacral chakra is also about not only like physical passion but also emotional intimacy. You're catching a lot of people's eyes coming in again and again. I don't know how to explain it and in what ways can I explain it. But there's some charm about you, something about you, which is very, very irresistible, is the energy which is coming in. Keep doing what you're doing because it's working in your favor. Discard the old, embrace and blossom the new is also coming in. You may have given yourself a rebirth, you may have chosen a different path altogether, and the success will be coming in, is what is coming through. You are a very creative person, and it's time to utilize your creativity in all aspects of life. Even when you are looking for a solution, come up with with creative ones because brilliant ideas will be coming in, and the month ahead looks really, really blessed, busy in the best possible way, and filled with blessings and filled with abundance and accolades is also coming through. Time to awaken the magician in you. That is what is coming in. Do let me know if this resonated with you. Please do like and share it with your loved ones if you enjoyed this reading, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, beautiful blessings, expansion, abundance, love, and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe. Hi, my lovely Moonians. Shukriya for watching.